2. Write the following isotopes in Nuclide notation. And for example, e.g., they give us a 14 on the top, a 6 on the bottom, and a C. So we have to basically mimic this style for tantalum-175. Okay, so for our example, we have an elemental lettering going on here. So I'm going to put a big, oh boy, I'm going to put a big blue lettering here just to kind of set us up. Oh yeah, color, color, color. Color, 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 chameleon. Love that song. The 80s. The 80s of music. Rocked. Okay, then we have a 14 on the top, so we need a number on the top. And then we need a number on the bottom. So here we go. Okay, so the first things first is let's find out what that elemental lettering is. Now in our example, tantalum-175, we have the element tantalum. So let's figure out what the elemental lettering is for tantalum. Now you might know it. Me personally, I don't know it. Not really one of the big elements that the course of chemistry uses, but we could always pull out the periodic table and go find it. Now tantalum is right here on the periodic table. And tantalum is Ta. So that was pretty easy. Ta. And 1/3 of it is already done. Now we need a top number and a bottom number. The next number I see in our example is 175. Now, whenever they say carbon 12 or oxygen 16 or tantalum 175, that number is always the atomic mass. So it's always the bigger number of the two numbers that you have to put. And you could think about it, if it's the big numbers go on the top. So your atomic mass numbers are going to be on the top. So we'll say atomic number. No, just kidding. Atomic mass. And we're putting 175 up top here. But now the question is, what's the bottom number? They didn't give me any more information. Well, the bottom number is the atomic number. And it turns out that for every element, it has its own atomic number. It's all of the whole numbers that you see on the periodic table. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. They don't change for the element. For tantalum, it's 73. So 73 on the bottom. And box the answer off because you are done. That's the, Nuclide notation. And there you go. Hopefully this helps. Let me know in the comments how this fared you. I hope you're doing well out there, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for visiting the channel, watching the video. And we just opened up memberships, so if you want to become a member to the channel, welcome, right? Check the perks out, and maybe something, interests you. So, yeah, thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.